Framer is a design tool that enables you to create interactive and responsive layouts. It allows designers to design, prototype, and collaborate in one place. Framer's main features include prototyping, smart components, auto layout, and team collaboration tools. On the other hand, WordPress is a popular content management system. It allows you to create websites and blogs. Its features include a user-friendly interface, thousands of themes and plugins, SEO optimization, and mobile responsiveness. WordPress also allows for easy content management and editing. Framer offers a free plan with limited features. Its premium plans start at $12 per user per month. These plans include all the features of the free plan and additional features like private projects, priority support, and more. WordPress, meanwhile, is free to use. However, you'll need to pay for web hosting, which can range from $3 to $25 per month. Premium themes and plugins may also come at an additional cost, so while WordPress itself is free, the total cost can add up depending on your requirements. Framer is user-friendly and intuitive, especially for designers. It offers a smooth design process with drag-and-drop functionality and real-time previews. However, it may have a steep learning curve for non-designers. WordPress is known for its ease of use. Its interface is simple and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to create and manage a website. However, for more complex sites, some coding knowledge may be helpful. Framer integrates with tools like Sketch, Figma, and Photoshop, making it easy to import designs. It also integrates with Slack and Jira for collaboration. WordPress, on the other hand, offers thousands of plugins for integration. This includes SEO tools, e-commerce plugins, social media plugins, and more. It also integrates with popular email marketing services and analytics tools. Framer is quick and responsive, offering real-time previews and fast prototyping. However, its performance may depend on the complexity of the design. WordPress cites its performance depends largely on the web hosting service, the use of plugins, and the website's design. With proper optimization, WordPress sites can be fast and responsive. Framer uses SSL encryption to secure data. It also offers private projects on its premium plans. WordPress, being an open-source platform, is vulnerable to attacks. However, it offers regular updates for security, and there are numerous security plugins available to improve your site's security. It's also important to choose a secure web hosting provider. Framer provides support through email and chat, and premium users get priority support. It's scalable, making it suitable for both small and large projects. WordPress has a huge community, and you can find support through forums, blogs, and tutorials. It's highly scalable, suitable for everything from personal blogs to large e-commerce sites. The winner depends on your needs. If you're a designer looking for a powerful prototyping and design tool, Framer is the clear winner. Its features, integrations, and performance are tailored for designers. If you're looking to create a website or blog with ease, WordPress is the winner. Its user-friendly interface, extensive plugin ecosystem, and scalability make it ideal for websites of all sizes. In terms of pricing, WordPress may be more cost-effective, especially for smaller projects. Thank you for watching this comparison between Framer and WordPress. We hope you found it useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this one. We appreciate your support.